Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. October is National Financial Planning Month. Financial planning as we know it now includes investing, tax planning, retirement planning, and basically other ways to get your finances in order and create mindful budgets to ensure a safe and secure future. Getting a step ahead of your spendings and finances is beneficial in the long run, and Financial Planning Month is the perfect time to do that. Joining us for this segment, we have Kristin Meyers, Editor-in-Chief at The Balance, and we're going to discuss the 6 steps of financial planning. And Kristin, it just starts with understanding where you are in life.
Absolutely. Like with most things in finance, you really have to take stock of what your personal financial situation is, because it's hard to make goals unless you really take stock of where you are. So you really need to ask questions about, what is your health like? Is there money that you might need to set aside for medical bills? What are you planning on doing for retirement? Do you have children? Are you married? All of these things will really help build that personal financial profile that you and a financial planner can really use to make some of those goals.
And then you have to identify and analyze how you're going to achieve these goals.
Absolutely. So you have to first identify, you have to select those goals. Do you have a goal to travel every single year? Do you have a goal to retire at 50? Do you have a goal to pay off your, child's education? Whatever your goals are, you have to figure out what they are, because once you do that, then you can sort of create a strategy for how you're going to get there.
And of course, it's one thing to analyze, but you also have to actually follow through with the plan.
Absolutely. And this is actually one of the hardest things to do, honestly. So you create your plan, and then you have to actually go out and implement it. You might have to take recommendations that you might not like. It might mean tightening the belt a little bit, but implementation is absolutely critical, because if you don't do that, then you're absolutely going to fall off track.
And then throughout the year, you want to monitor your progress.
And because things change all the time. You might get married, you might get divorced, you might lose a loved one, something might happen, you might change careers. And so you really want your financial plan and strategy to change as you change. So you really need to be taking stock and checking in very often.
All right, Kristin, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.